92 minutes, as it says on the book, around and around, says on the book, around and around, around and around, and that really starts to seep into you, the fact that we're all around and around this together.
You don't see the same shot over and over again because your orbit changes.
Yeah, our orbit stays fixed. It's sort of like a ball and a string. 92 minutes, as it says on the book, around and around, sort of like a ball and a string. So the seasons changed on the world view.
It
was not just the narcissism, but the rest of the world, and that was really revealing to me.
Can you see, when you're in outer space, can you see like
Camera does, so you can pick out the Statue of Liberty if it's lit up.
And
out
how
there.
many thousands of feet, tens of thousands of feet are you?
We're about 1.3 million feet. 92 minutes, as it says on the book, around and around.
1.3 million, thank you.
About whatever, 270 miles up or something like that, depends.
Yes. America section.
What the world looks like from the air, and we crossed it thousands of times.
It's 92 minutes. That could give us just 92 minutes of what it looks like and what you could see from your eye.
We have 92 minutes, as it says on the book, around and around. Amazon also.
Would it be possible to have, do we have a camera? It's 92 minutes. That could give us just 92 minutes of what it looks like.
To take pictures of it. It's just flat gorgeous to see. Huge, vast expanse. The movie, if you want to get some feel of what it's like, that movie shows it the best.
Oh, wow.
Well, Colonel Hadfield.
So lucky.
Very exciting. I've read your stuff, and
The world is flat.
You pay attention. At the same time, there are studies from 50, 60, 70 years ago that were hidden jewels that all of a sudden now are popping up.
The world is flat, right? The world.
At the same time, there are studies from 50, 60, 70 years ago that were hidden jewels that all of a sudden now are popping up and literally transforming what we're doing.
Years because the world is flat.
When we were
Because the world is flat.
experiments that had, quote, been buried. I think that's a great place to start.
This is one of the coolest studies I've ever heard of. It was in the 1950s. This woman named Rhonda Ruth Lunsford published her only paper in science, and she was actually kicked out. She took an old rat and a young rat, and she tied their skin together.
Years because the world is flat.
It's like we feel very confident going forward, that they were literally the number three who 30,000 remains flat. But when we now that we see, I think, in a very real sense, they flattened the curve, and today, happened.
It'll, I think, really tremendous people that do the work, smart people, great people, people that, I think, heavy, and now it's controlled. I knew it was come out of this. At a level that's asked for it, and we're sending it. So I feel good. I feel good.